Hi, my name is Kasey C. Roman. I'm a junior in high school, and I have a couple talents. First talent, well, it's obviously, as you can see, my talent is playing the keyboard. Okay, that was horrible. Oh well. And a loser. I need time to go to school. Came on. And I know, you're probably thinking, what? A loser isn't being a talent. It's being the worst person in the school. Well, you're actually wrong about that. Being a loser means that you're your own self and not having to worry about popular preppy stuff. It means that nobody can control you but the popular person and just trying to embarrass you. And it's a good thing for me, because I got to focus on what's really important, my education. But sometimes the feeling of self being that it could also change. Well, here we are, school. Let me give you a little tour of the people that you have to meet. There's two preppy pink paws. The one with the beautiful zebra stripe and pink dress. That is Stacy. She's not the leader though. The one with the bow. Now that is Macey, known as the prettiest and most popular girl in the school. And she always starts her day by always saying, "Hi loser, hi dear Vinich." Ugh, real mean. You hear what she said? Yeah, I did. Those two boys over there, the blonde golden retriever, that's Daniel. He's a star football player and the popular guy in school. And his best friend right there, the big Great Dane, that's Jacob, his best friend, and, well, my crush. But I'm not really interested in him. And I'm interested in somebody else. And besides, he's Stacy's boyfriend. And I'm smart enough to know not to get in between them. So Zoe, what are you talking about? What I want to know is that loser's name, the one in the locker, like three lockers next to us. Who? You mean Kasey? Her name is Kasey? Yeah? Why? Stacy, Macey. Oh no, don't tell me you're gonna go through that idea again. I'm already stuck with it. I am going to do it again. Besides, she's totally stupid enough to even fall for one of the reasons why I'm actually letting her in this group. Macey, you know that's cold. And you know I've been down the same road. Who cares? Oh, here she comes now. Ugh. Just watch and learn. Hey! Come here. What do you want, Macey? Well, I was thinking, I think I feel really bad for what I've been doing to you for the past couple of years, and well, I think I finally cracked. What are you talking about? Well, I think maybe you can be in our group. Really? You really want me to be in your group? I'm the last person you would think to make me be in your group. I'm supposed to be the loser, remember? Not anymore. You're with us. Oh, I get it now. You just want me to be in your group because my name's rhyme with your names. Oh, duh. Didn't I tell you that she's really not that stupid? Kasey, just forget it. Don't even join us, okay? I've been down the same road anyway. I can believe you that, Stacy. Oh, come on, please join. It would really make me happy. And besides, just picture it. You joining us. Think about it. People complimenting on your fur and your looks. Having boys notice you. Besides, I think you're gonna love it if you join us. Join the Popular Paws, because Kasey, it'll be worth whatever you want. Sorry, I would love to join, and that sounds fun, but I like being a loser, so if you don't mind, but I'm gonna be my loser way and stick to my education. Good day now. Wait! What? Kasey, look, I know we haven't been great friends for ever, at least. But please, I really want you to join. You can take this to your advantage if you want to. You can embarrass me how much you want. I'll let you do anything to me if you join us. Please, Kasey, I beg you. Please, please, please. Fine, I'll join. Really? Only because I can only do something to you. And the main thing I can do to you is slam you into a locker, like you always done to me back in gym class in the locker room. Then it's a deal. That's on one condition. And what's that? I have to give you a makeover. Your face is perfect, but your clothes are going to need some upgrades. Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing this. Fine, I'll join you. But it better be something good. Then it's a deal, kitty cat. Meet me after school at 6 o'clock. Alright? Fine, whatever. Thank you. I knew it would change, but not like this.